Is it time to buy or sell FSLY Class A stock? In this video, we will delve deeply into FSLY Class A. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 29th of September, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 9th day of September in the year 2025, our system has ranked FSLY Class A as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.52. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this time. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 13.33% since we first listed FSLY Class A as a buy candidate 15 days ago. This translates to an average return of 0.89% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 22.68% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 4.7% to 29.3%. In terms of the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of negative 11.78%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 55.77% to positive 4.21% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $3.83 and $9.04. Our latest daily update for FSLY Class A includes the headline, FSLY Inc. Class A stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. The FSLY Inc. Class A stock price increased by 2% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 29th of September, 2025, rising from $8.50 to $8.67. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 7.6%, with a low of $8.36 and a high of $9. The price has experienced volatility during this period, resulting in a 1.03% decline over the last 2 weeks. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day in tandem with the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator, with 3 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 4 million shares changed hands for approximately $38.48 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $12.08, while the lowest was $4.65. Currently, the price stands at 28.23%, or $3.41, below the 52-week high, and 93.65%, we're $127.83, below the all-time high on the 13th of October, 2020, when the price peaked at $136.50. FSLY is at a pivotal moment. Late September brought 2 contrasting headlines: a shareholder litigation investigation naming certain officers and directors, which typically triggers near-term volatility, increases legal expenses, and pressures sentiment, alongside fresh optimistic signals from the company's operations. This includes double-digit revenue growth, raised guidance toward positive annual free cash flow, security revenue up by about 15%, and compute and observability revenue up roughly 60% year over year. Recent higher volume rallies and upward revisions of earnings estimates have already driven short-term momentum, aided by technical breakouts such as crosses above key moving averages and active investor engagement through conference presentations. FSLY's threat research on artificial intelligence crawlers highlights the product's relevance in security and edge observability, supporting market expansion and customer growth. In the short term, expect fluctuating trading. Legal headlines can undermine confidence and trigger sell-offs, while positive results and analyst upgrades can spur recoveries. Over the longer term, sustained revenue acceleration, improved net retention, and consistent generation of free cash flow would be the key drivers of lasting upside, provided that execution remains strong and litigation proves to be inconsequential. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 7th of August, 2025, it was reported that Craig Hallam assigned a buy grade to FSLY with an upgrade action. On Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, RBC Capital reported a sector perform grade for FSLY accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 1st of October, 2024, Raymond James assigned a market perform grade to FSLY with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 8th of August, 2024, Piper Sandler gave FSLY a neutral grade, also with a downgrade action. On Thursday, the 2nd of May, 2024, RBC Capital again reported a sector perform grade for FSLY coupled with a hold action. Analysts have assigned FSLY's Class A stock a general sell rating. The price-to-earnings ratio is rated as strong sell, while the price-to-book ratio is viewed as buy. Regarding return on investment, analysts have given this stock a rating of strong sell. The following signals have been identified for FSLY Class A. The FSLY Inc. Class A stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between the two signals, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of a downward correction, there will be some support from the lines at $8.56 and $7.74. A breakdown below either of these levels will generate sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a favorable technical signal. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, September 18, 2025, and so far it has declined by 3.13%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 10 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 33 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 34 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 36 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 82 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for FSLY Class A. FSLY Incorporated Class A finds support from accumulated volume at $8.63. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 635 thousandths of a dollar between its high and low, representing a movement of 7.6%. For the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 5.3%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for FSLY Class A, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the third quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of November, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are set at 1 cent. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for FSLY Class A. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for FSLY Class A is at $8.76. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, FSLY Class A encounters its first support level at $8.63. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for FSLY Class A from various analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of September, 2025, Bergman Arter executed an insider sell of 20,000 shares of Class A common stock. On the 17th of September, 2025, Lovett Scott R. carried out an insider sell of 42,172 shares of Class A common stock. On the 15th of September, 2025, Bergman Arter conducted another insider sell of 17,062 shares of Class A common stock. Also on the 15th of September, 2025, Bergman Arter executed an insider sell of 2,938 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Lovett Scott R. performed an insider sell of 178,931 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is positive, with a ratio of 31.930. In total, insiders acquired 2,871,770 shares and sold 1,600,896 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $8.28, reflecting a decrease of 4.55%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 7 days ago. Is FSLY Class A stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable expectation for FSLY Incorporated Class A stock to perform well in the short term. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock from a hold to a buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 30th of September, we anticipate FSLY Class A to open higher by 0.005 of a dollar, starting at $8.68. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.